our recap. Hi friends, welcome to Trade with Price Action. Today is 21st February. As you are aware, tomorrow the market is going to open, and you also see last 3 days wherein Nifty has fell a lot, like 15,400 until 15,400, 15,000. Fortunately, it is able to get the support at 14,920. And looking at the, when you ask what would be the moment of actions for the next 4 5 days, it would be very simple. If it has a great support at 14,730. So if you are an option seller, you always have a strike price of 14,650. You can sell them at the same level, like at the top you can sell 14,450, which would be a short strangle for you. Coming to the what would be the prices, like if the price is able to cross this 15,120 or 130, it can easily reach 15,300. And also apparently if you see the moving averages, it is down. Anything, if you see anywhere the price touching 20 moving average, you are ready to sell. You should be in a position to sell that. This is about Nifty. Couple of stocks for you today. One is Reliance is looking strong. Reliance has a great support at 20 moving average. I can show you multiple, how like multiple at a multiple time frame. If you see, it is getting a support at 20 moving average for, if you see, 1 day time period. Again there is a good amount of support, like it is a positive. Everything is in a positive. You can definitely go for uh, buying opportunity whenever you see uh, Reliance in a support zone. Support zone could be anything. It is as simple as 200 moving average, 20 or 50 for a 5 minutes time period. And we have a couple of stocks to TCS and Infosys. Let me go to TCS. TCS seems to be very strong in the during the last hour of the Friday session. And looking at the 1 hour chart, you can definitely make sure that it is in a very strong trend. I know the IT had a very bad week last week, so you can definitely expect it is getting good support here. This is a support. If you see, it has got a great support. It has got a great support where it was a last support. So having said that, if you see the price anything above 3,085, definitely you can keep a target of 3,100. So going to the Infin. Okay, Infi has a great support at 200 moving average, and it has got a great support, right? And it has a trend level support as well. Like it has crossed that resistance which was there earlier. So it is the thing. So you can go for buyings after, like if you see, even I have kept a alert 12,950 12,195. If it crosses, we can go for buying. The next immediate thing, resistance is at 1,306. You can definitely get a 1% return in an intraday. But if you go for a position trading, then you can expect 1,327. Okay, I hope this is for this week. We can come up with many videos in the coming days. Thank you so much. Have a great week ahead.